Hi everyone and welcome to Part Modeling in Solidworks. Today we're going to take up exercise 3. Now I'm going to double click on part. And now I'm going to hover over my design tree. I'm going to my top plane, right click, and sketch. Now I'm going to make a center rectangle. I'm going to click on our drop down option and click center rectangle. I'm going to click on our origin and make our rectangle. And now I'm going to make a slot. Going to my sketch tab. I'm going to click straight slot. Now I'm creating our slot over here. Hitting escape. And now I'm going to add dimensions on our sketch. I'm going over to my sketch tab. I'm going to click Smart Dimension. And now I'm going to click this line and this line. And I want this to have a distance of 100. Hitting enter. And now this line and this line to have a distance of 120. And hitting enter. I'm going to zoom out. Now I want this center line of our slot and this line to have a distance of 70. Now I want this slot to have a radius of 15. Hitting enter. And now I want this slot to have a height of 60. I want our endpoint of our line and this line to have a distance of 30. And now it's fully defined. I'm going to exit my sketch. Now I'm going to my Features tab and click Extruded Boss Base. Now I want our part to have a depth of 20. And click OK. Now I'm going to rotate our part and I'm going to hover over this face. I'm going to right click and sketch. Now I'm going to my sketch tab. I'm going to click our drop down option. I'm going to click corner rectangle. I'm going to make a corner rectangle here and here. Hitting escape. Now I'm going to make a slot here. Thanks for reaching this point in the video. Inviting you all to join us in Facebook. Our group is Solidworks Users Philippines. And LinkedIn, we are Solidworks Users Philippines. See you there! I'm going to hit escape. And now, I'm going to add dimensions on our sketch. Going to my sketch tab, Smart Dimension. I want this line and this line to have a distance of 50. And this slot and this line to have a distance of 30. Now I want this line and this point to have a distance of 20. And our slot to have a radius of 6. I want this line and this line to have a distance of 120. And now I want this point and this line to also have a distance of 20. And now it's fully defined. I'm going to escape. I'm going to my Features tab and click Extruded Boss Base. I'm going to rotate and I want this part to be reverse. And our depth is 20 and click OK. And now I'm going to hit spacebar on my keyboard. And notice there's a window popped up. I'm going to my right and I'm going to click isometric. And now I'm going to my features tab. I'm going to my right and click fillet. Now I want this edge and this edge to have a fillet parameter of 20. Click OK. Now I'm going to add another fillet. I'm going to click this edge and this edge, and I want the fillet parameter to be 30. And click OK. And now we're going to save our part. I'm going to hit Ctrl S and save. Yes. And congratulations for completing our exercise 3.